In a given year, production of 5 farmers for wheat was as under. Find the probability of more than 280 units of production. Second, 500 or less units of production. Now let's take this here. More than 280 units of production. So totally, how many cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of events is 5. Now we need to find the probability that a particular event is more than 280 units of production. So if you see, the first farmer had 300, which is definitely more than 280. The second farmer had exactly 280. So 280 is not more than 280, so we cross this out. 270 is less than 280, so we cross this out. Fourth farmer did 500, which is again more than 280, and fifth farmer did 650. So the total number of farmers who did more than 280 units of production, so probability of greater than 280 units, is equal to number of times the event has happened. What is the event? The production being more than 280. So the number of times the production is more than 280 in case of farmers is 1, 2 and 3. And what's the total number of event? Obviously that is 5. So you get 0.60. So the probability that a farmer who's producing will be producing more than 280 units of production is 3 divided by 5 is equal to 0.60. The second case, let's see that one. 500 or less units of production. Now we have to cover cases where the production is either 500 or less than 500. So in first case it is less than 500, so it's covered. 280 is again less than 500. 270 is less than 500. 500 is not less than 500, but what we have is 500 or less than 500. So this is also covered. 650 is obviously not covered. So what we have here is that we have 4 cases where the production is 500 or less. So therefore the probability of 500 or less is equal to total number of times or total number of farmers whose production is 500 or less, which is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the total number of farmers is 5. So 5 divided by 4, this gives you 0.80. That's your probability, and that's also your solution.